क्या हुआ? सोच रहे होंगे आप लोग, फोन स्क्रॉल करते करते हम लोग कहाँ पे आ गए? वेल, वी हैव अराइव्ड एट स्वामी विवेकानंद यूनिवर्सिटी। सोच रहे होंगे कि जाए कैसे यहाँ पे? लेट मी हेल्प यू विद दैट। अगर आप लोग कोलकाता के साइड से आ रहे हैं, यू कैन वेरी इजीली अवेल द लोकल ट्रेन सर्विसेज, बिधाननगर, दमदम और मे बी शियालदह। वहां से आप लोगों को बैरकपुर रेलवे स्टेशन पे उतरना पड़ेगा एंड वेरी इजीली ऑटो विल टेक यू डायरेक्टली टू आवर कैंपस। हमारा कैंपस बहुत ही सुंदर है। Well, if you would visit us, you would see that there are so many greeneries, so many amazing places, not only for studying but also for your extracurricular activities. Like we have open gym, we have cafeteria, and of course we have the amazing library जहाँ पे बैठ के आप पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं, assignments कर सकते हैं, and along with that you can also prepare for exam. Under Department of Biotechnology हम लोग बहुत सारे courses offer करते हैं। क्या क्या course? Well, UG in biotechnology, PG in biotechnology, and PhD in biotechnology as well. Department of Microbiology, we are also offering PG in microbiology and PhD in microbiology as well. एक बहुत interesting चीज हम लोग के department के बारे में that I must highlight is our lab infrastructure. We have an amazing state of the art lab facility जहाँ पे बहुत सारे instruments हम लोग specifically for research purpose procure किए हैं, starting with AASC. Along with that we also have RT-PCR, FTIR, and a lot other instruments are also on their way. So these are few of the important highlights which I felt should share with you. क्या सोच रहे हो? 4 साल या 2 साल सिर्फ पढ़ाई में बीत जाएगा? एकदम नहीं. At Swami Vivekananda University we always try to design our courses इस तरीके से so that we can achieve the overall development of a student. हम लोग बहुत सारे different types of activities conduct कराते हैं. What kind of activities? Well, we have Smart India Hackathons, we have Startup Fairs, we have Nirman Mela जहाँ पे students खुद का product develop करते हैं and they represent their ideas and even try to commercialize these products and try to sell them at the market level. These motivate students not only to understand how the current job market works, but वो लोग के पास एक option भी रहता है to do something different. थोड़ा हट के कुछ करने को वो लोग को एक मौका मिल जाता है. You know, instead of asking for job from us, they will generate jobs and after 4 years or after 2 years, एक हाथ में they will be going out with a degree and on the other hand they would have their own company startup and they won't be dependent on anyone for jobs. In the departments of microbiology and biotechnology, syllabus को हम लोग ने इस तरीके से modify किया है so that the students are continuously in touch with the industrial world. देखिए, पढ़ाई तो करना absolutely is the necessity of the age. लेकिन पढ़ाई के बाद क्या? ग्रेजुएशन के बाद, मास्टर्स के बाद करना क्या है? वेल, क्या करना है उस चीज के लिए हम लोग आप लोग को continuously guidance देंगे. We will motivate you, we will groom you, we will make you industry and placement ready. We have multiple tie-ups with various different kinds of industries and like I was just saying, हम लोग ने syllabus को भी इस तरीके से modify किया है. We have included different kinds of subjects like for example drug designing, we have included clinical data management and also we have different kinds of workshops, training continuously going on. We have tie-ups with various industrial experts जो students को guide करते हैं, groom करते हैं and they try to motivate and help students become placement ready. So this is the uniqueness of Swami Vivekananda University. Well, let me remind you again, admissions are going on, seats बहुत ही जल्दी fill हो रहे हैं, so आप लोग को जल्दी जल्दी आना है, campus visit करना है and you have to book your seats right today.